My lungs are black, my heart is pure. My hands are scarred from nights before. And my hair is thin and falling out of all the wrong places. I am a little insecure. My eyes are crushed, but they're still blue. Bite my nails and tell the truth. I go from thin to overweight. Day to day it fluctuates. My skin is ink but faded too. But she loves me, she loves me. Why the hell she love me? If she could have anyone else. You love me, you love me. Why the hell would you love me? 'Cause I don't even love myself. Baby, the best part of me is you. And lately, everything's making sense too. Oh baby, I'm so in love with you. I overthink and still forget. I lose my phone and place my bets. And I never catch the train on time, always 30 minutes behind.